According to the National Institute of Health, there are nearly 300,000 clinical research studies going on around the world. These trials help decide whether new treatments are safe and effective. In Health Watch, Shelley Botat explains why they are so important and can potentially save lives.
Aurora Research Institute and Clinical Trials Education Network of Wisconsin recently sponsored an event on the importance of clinical trials and how they can help patients and save lives. This Lunch and Learn on clinical trials at Aurora BayCare Medical Center is designed to educate the public.
To talk to people in the community about clinical trials and explain how to get involved or even just how to learn about them.
Laura Strong speaks across the state for Clinical Trials Education Network of Wisconsin.
A clinical trial is the opportunity to study, to research whether a particular treatment improves the patient's condition or not.
To make sure that whatever drugs we try are safe.
A clinical research study uses volunteer patients to research new drugs, devices, or procedures.
Studies are looking at treatments, new treatments, comparing new treatments with old treatments. More studies that are coming out now are looking at quality of life.
Aurora BayCare is involved in dozens of trials.
The purpose of clinical trial is to continuously improve on what we know and what we have to treat different cancers or any other ailments.
Dr. Demont Patel is a leader in the clinical trial program at Aurora BayCare, which offers patients the option of participating in these cutting-edge treatment trials.
Any patient that has any disease like stroke, heart disease, cancer are appropriate to look at for clinical trials.
They could potentially not only get better care for their own issues, but also contribute to the future improved care for other patients.
Patients must meet certain criteria. They have rights and can stop any time.
There's always a risk when you're looking at a new drug.
Dr. Patel says trials do improve health care.
What we have seen in clinical trials research is that there's been an explosion in terms of how we are managing cancer and how new drugs are coming about.
But about 10 to 15% of clinical trials fail to recruit enough participants.
The lesser patients participate, it takes longer to get an answer.
You can ask your doctor about clinical trials or go to clinicaltrials.gov. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 5 News.